guys, and welcome back. This is your girl Judy. Welcome back to another day, another video. Here I am showing you a little bit of what I'm going to be doing in this video today. We're going to be cleaning a little bit the living room and the foyer. Then I'm going to be showing you a Rae Dunn haul, a grocery haul, and tjmaxx, Marshalls, and probably home goods haul of a couple of things I got for the upcoming video, so stay on the lookout for that. If you want to know where I got everything, I'm super excited because finally my bedroom is getting a small makeover. So it's a linen closet and a small pantry. So if you want to know where I got everything, stay tuned. Here I am cleaning. Just hope I give you a little bit of motivation today so you can go ahead and clean your space. I know today is a very snowy day outside, so it was perfect just to be home and move everything around and just start cleaning and sweeping and mopping and working all over the house, as you see right now. Hello guys, this is Judy. Welcome back to another day, another video. I just wanted to show you really quick in this video a couple of things I grabbed from the stores, a haul for a couple of videos I'm going to be making. Let me see how I can put this together. I'm going to be redecorating and cleaning my room and the linen closet, the entire house, and so many other places around the house, and I shopped and I grabbed so many things I wanted to. As you can see here, I want to show you what I got. So let's start with the grocery, all these groceries, so you can see the things I got for my daughter for snack, for school, and for my son and my husband that also work, and they also take snacks to work, and little knickknacks and stuff like that. So let's see. Okay guys, so we went to Aldi's. Let's start with the things I got for Aldi's. All the healthy stuff belongs to my daughter. She is trying to lose weight, so she got some kiwis here, some apples, blueberries, her garlic hummus, her noodles. She loves noodles. Ravioli, 5 cheese raviolis from, these are really good. You guys should try it. And then all these cheeses My husband likes cheese and crackers at night, so we got the creamy garlic herb, mozzarella, cheddar, and some snacks for them to take to work. Then we have the home style singles guacamole. They come in little packs, 6 packs. So he takes those with these I haven't tried yet, but it says organic, and I'm trying to change it in a little healthier to what he puts in his mouth. So we got those tried out. The creamy garlic herb for crackers. Then we have a big chunky guacamole for the house, party style. 2 salad bowls, chicken Caesar salad bowls for my daughter. Then my coffee, I got that, the unsweetened kind. Then this is fruit strips, fruit grains. Then she got some Takis. Well, this is the imitation, so she wants to try that out to see how it goes. This is mine, the white cheddar puffs. I haven't tried these, so I'm gonna see how they go. And this is just for the house, the sour cream. Then the Oreos, the chewy cookies, and this is for the guys to take to work, the peanut butter wafers. Those I bought last week, and when I went to grab some, it was super empty. This is, let me see, organic fruit, mixed fruit snacks. My daughter grabbed, and then she grabbed these because she wanted to try them out, and this is really good. This is like just cheese, cooked cheese. Parmesan crisps, she got it in the cheese original and the cheddar. Then my husband's juices, the broccoli, because I'm trying to see if I'm going to make mashed potatoes with broccoli and all that stuff my husband loves. Some olive oil because I ran out right here. Sorry for the mess, everything is in the counter. So my daughter's blueberries, I already said that. A pizza for on Thursdays when I don't want to cook, or on Friday. Cheesy bread, and my daughter's favorite chicken strips. All this is from Aldi's. I know there's a lot of snacks, but this is what I needed for the week. I have everything else. I have my meats, my rice, my beans, all that stuff. I don't need any extra, but I do want to show you this closet or this pantry. Yes, you see, organizing video. I'm going to make a video organizing and throwing out what I don't need, so stay on the lookout for that. Now let's go see what I got from Marshall's. Okay, why is this here? This is my daughter's blueberry smoothie protein frozen fruit thingy for her shakes. Put it right there. Okay, so for cleaning around the house, I got this humongous 169 ounce Fabuloso. Makes 84 gallons. Let's see how much that lasts. Then I got this multi-purpose cleaner for all the surfaces. This small Tide for some sheets and for the floor. Then this for the, obviously for the clothing. Some Cloro because, I mean, I can't clean without it. I feel like it's not cleaned. Then obviously some toilet paper. And my husband got me the old cedar mop, so we're gonna be trying that out because my mop was super old, so he got me that to try out. Then this is Marshall's. I got my husband an outfit, which is a nice t-shirt, a jacket, and some jeans because we're gonna, you know, go on a date and I wanted him to look extra cute. Then my daughter got green dress, super cute. I posted how it looks because I got the same one on Instagram, so go to my Instagram if you want to see how the look came out. And a burgundy skirt for church. Then I got my slippers, underwear for the men of the house. And let me show you, I'm doing the linen closet makeover, so I bought these handles. So when I paint, I can put brand new handles so it can have a nice fresh new look. Then these organizers are for what I just showed you, that big old pantry full of spices and stuff. I got two. Hold on, let me see if I can get it out. Okay, I got two for now. I got two of those, and then I got this one. And they're like Lazy Susans. They're turnable. They rotate. This I got for the kitchen. Super cute. And this I got because mines are old, so I won't plan on throwing those out and putting these in because they're wood. I don't use them more than a couple of months. I don't know, it just feels weird. Then yay, I found these done items. This is for the kitchen. This is to decorate my coffee bar. This is for the, I think I'm gonna use it for the kitchen. I'm not sure if it's gonna be for the kitchen or the bathroom. And then I got two of these pretty pink ones that I fell in love with. One for me and one for somebody special that she will, if she sees this video, she will know it's her. Then I got this for my bedroom makeover because it needed a little greenery. I don't know if you're gonna spot the theme here, but I got this candle also for their living room makeover. These because I want to make some cannolis and I needed like a deep bowl. Then I got this huge basket because every time I unmake my bed, I have to put all my pillows and sheets in the sofa, and I hate it. I wanted to have a space for it. Then I got this for on top of my bed. I don't know if you see the theme. This is from tjmaxx. The basket is from Marshall's. Then I got this beautiful fake fern for my bedroom. I don't actually have any fake or real plants in my bedroom, so I wanted to add one. These green pillows from tjmaxx are for my bedroom. You will love the final look once I clean and decorate. And then I have these towels. I got 3 gray, 3 white, and 3 ivory or beige for the linen closet makeover. And here are 2 different storage solutions for that. And these towels and the storage I got at Kohl's. So once the video is all done, you're going to notice these pieces included in that video, so stay tuned for that. And my favorite store right here, I got some soaps to decorate the linen closet, toothpaste, an extra toothbrush if somebody does come visit. I got some fabric sheets for that same spot, which is the linen closet, just because I wanted to have a good smell. My husband got himself this for the car. I needed another pair of gloves because mine's disappeared when I needed it. I usually use the gloves when I'm cleaning the extractor in the sink. Then my favorite cleaning cloths from Dollar Tree, 2 for $1, which are great. You see me use these in my videos. Then microfiber cleaning towel from the Dollar Tree, and this splatter screen that I'm going to give it a try. Okay guys, so I totally forgot about this stuff here in the living room. This is a quilt for the bedroom. I got these big old oversized pillows for the bedroom. They were on sale. Cooper. Here's another set. I got this throw blanket for my bedroom, and then I finally found the second one. I was, as you can see over there in the basket, I was looking for another pillow, so I found it and I grabbed it so I can decorate with both pillows. And I think that's about it. My daughter grabbed so many other stuff, but she has it up in her room. She doesn't want to share what she got. So That's it. Thanks for watching.